Hi guys, in this video you're going to discover how to find my wallet address on Binance. It is only require you a couple of minutes to do that, so let's jump straight into the content. So the first one is you need to get your Binance account registered, and I have logged in. And then what you can do next is go to the wallet and then click on the tab fiat and spot. Then you're going to redirect to this particular page. So this is the cryptocurrency available. So as you can see, there are so many cryptocurrency over here, depending on whatever coin that you want to get your address. You can simply click the deposit, right? If you want to get your Bitcoin address, simply click on the deposit, and then you're going to redirect to this page over here, and then you can see your address for your Bitcoin over here. Simply click copy, and then you can paste wherever you want. Okay, so now I'm going to share with you how to find your crypto, your Bitcoin, right? Because as you can tell, there are so many cryptocurrency available here. So if you couldn't find it here, you can either scroll it one by one, but it is very time consuming. What you can do instead is simply search here. Okay, so let's say I want to find Litecoin. Simply type in Litecoin and then click search, and then you're going to find the Litecoin. So same goes with Bitcoin. If you want to find your Litecoin address, wallet address, simply click the deposit, and then you're going to redirect to this page. Don't freak out about this thing, just simply click understand, and then you're going to be able to see your Bitcoin, your Litecoin wallet address over here. Simply click copy, or you can either simply scan the barcode as well. Okay, so I hope this video useful. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.